Okay, here you can see that you just simply go to Google and you'll type in PTAC and it will take you to the APTAC website. And here you'll be able to the locations for the local PTAC within your state. So let's try somewhere fun. Let's go to South Dakota. So there is a South Dakota PTAC, and the locations, there's multiple locations. So you'll see if you live in Vermilion, that's a nice name, Sioux Falls, I think it's Sioux Falls, Pierre, Rapid City, Yankton. I picked the hardest state, but as you can see, there's multiple PTACs in within your state. So no matter which state that you choose, you will see that there will typically be more than one, and usually they're connected to some sort of college. So South Carolina only has one. Bet you that Rhode Island only has one as well. Yep. So Providence, Rhode Island. Sometimes they are connected to a college. So just keep that in mind as well. And they are set up to help you win contracts. So make sure that they are doing their job. If you're just starting out, they can help you get started. If you're already in government contracting, they should be able to help you out with classes and maybe review a solicitation with you at a very, very low level. They should be able to assist you and guide you along the process.